Hi everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, November 20th, 2017. Alright, I want to cover what's going on here right now and some of the utter nonsense that is being spewed out of the mouths of the mainstream financial channels right now. It's frankly just stupid, but okay. Let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, the stock market is up like a tiny bit. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up like 0.17%. Meanwhile, on CNBC, and I know I'm going to get beat up for this by CNBC and by YouTube especially, they're talking about, oh, stocks are rebounding today. Really? They're rebounding today? You want to call a 0.17% gain in the Dow a rebound? I mean, that says it all if you ask me. But once again, people, that is not where the action is today. But they can't have you look at what the bond market is doing, because the bond market right now, credit worthy, it's ridiculous, debt is being sold off right now, right at the market open. And you can look at this again on a chart that I set up for you right on my website underneath the chat room. A big fat red line there. That's all the debt, credit worthy, I hate saying that, debt that is being dumped right now. Do not be surprised if you see this turn around midday, because whenever we get a sell-off like this in the bond market, some entity out there, and you know who they are, starts buying it all up again to keep that bond market stabilized. Have a look at that when you get a moment. Junk bonds are being bought up right now. Some entity out here is buying up junk bonds and selling credit worthy, but they're going to, believe me, this is going to turn around. This always does. It's unbelievable. That's really where you need to look. Gold right now is under pressure. Silver is getting hammered right now, and Bitcoin is over $8,000. I think it's $8,200, marching towards my target of 10 grand. Will be there in a very short period of time, in my opinion here. So we need to keep our eye on all this, and we have to filter out what we're being fist-fed by the mainstream. I mean, you have to laugh at this. You literally have to laugh. This is, oh, stocks are up. They're rebounding today. Really? I would not be surprised, honestly, to see stocks finish lower today. Don't hold me to that. But this supposed rally right now, which is no rally by any stretch of the imagination, is very weak. But again, they'll do anything and everything right now to prop this up. If the bond market, mark my words on this, really, and you can watch this for yourself. You can see when they jump in there. If you just keep an eye on that chart, it's in 15-minute intervals right on my website. We got this sell-off right now with credit-worthy debt. If the stock market starts to fall on the back of debt being dumped like this, you're going to be able to see this for yourself. This is the Fed is going to get in there and start buying up these bonds. You're going to see it turn around green, and then you're going to see stocks follow higher. And watch the small caps first. Again, I've outlined, this is what they do. They hit the small caps first, try to push them up. If that doesn't work, they try to hit tech. And if that doesn't work, well, who knows what they're going to do next. But let's watch this action throughout the day. And I'm telling you right now, I cannot wait to do my summation at the end of the day, because I'm going to be watching this just like you. I have the bond market chart on my website opened up right here, so I can see it as the action is occurring. Anyway, it's just so crazy, people. So again, pay attention to what's going on with the bond market. Expect some entity, the Federal Reserve, or the big banks, or whatever, to start buying up credit-worthy debt to push up stocks here. They need to keep the debt market yields where they are now. The stock market does not like it higher. Understand what's going on here. It is not the Federal Reserve that is dictating monetary policy, people. It is the stock market dictating what the Fed is going to do. There's no doubt about it. This thing has flipped upside down now because of the financial Frankenstein that has been created by the Federal Reserve. Anyway, like I said, I'll see you at the end of the day. We're going to put all this together and see how it all plays out. I really cannot wait for it. I'll see you later. Over and out.